Hi, I'm Chris, the owner of Teak Warehouse, and today we're going to assemble the classic Teak rocking chair. The hex key is provided. The tools you'll need at home are the rubber mallet, wood glue, we prefer Gorilla, but you can use any carpenter's glue brand, Phillips head screwdriver, 120 grit sandpaper, and a wet rag. If you ordered our classic Teak rocking chair in the unassembled state, this is how it will arrive. Let's get her unboxed. Once you get the items out of the box, don't forget your screws. Once you get the item out of the box and lay everything out, we're ready to assemble. We're going to start by filling all the mortises with glue. A dime size for the smaller holes, and a quarter size for the larger ones. Now we're ready to start putting it together. Pay close attention to match the symbols. Use a mallet to pound it into place. And do the same with the back. Slides right in place. If needed, give it a little tap. This glue's for the other side, or the top. Don't worry about any excess glue that comes out. You can just wipe it with a rag. Now we're going to put the stainless steel bolts in. Use the hex key provided. Once you get the bolts in, and before you flip it, make sure you put the screws in down by the seat here. Now that we got one side complete, we're going to flip it over so we can do exactly the same thing on the other side. Now let's put the bolts in. Once you get your bolts in, you can put your screws in just like you did on the other side. And the last step is to spin it around and put the dowels in. And when you're ready, put the dowels in. Anywhere where there's excess of the dowel sticking out, just go ahead and sand it down real well. Always sand with the grain and put pressure on the dowel until it sands smooth. If you accidentally scratch the other part, just go ahead and sand it with the grain. And then go ahead and wipe it down. And now we're finished. Let's stand it up. And now the rocking chair is finished for enjoyment. Let's rock.